This is our most standard and popular model, pump truck model BF, with the 2,500 kilogram, 5,500 pound capacity. The fork sizes are 48 inches in length and 27 inches in width, the distance apart from the two forks. This model is currently unassembled. This is how it looks when you get it, so not too many parts, as you can see. We will now, in this video, demonstrate how we simply put it together. The lowered fork height is 3 inches and it has a maximum forklift height of 8 inches. So as you can see, you put it in, you have a pin, the big base pin that will go right through it. Okay, and then we're gonna lock it up with a pin so it doesn't move. We have a chain that will help with the pump to raise and lower. Chain goes through the big pin actually. You can just get in there. As a complete pump design with reliable leak-proof pump, eliminating maintenance and extending the service time. So it looks like we got the chain almost through there. Just takes a little bit of play to get it in the one time. Oh, we got it in. It fell. So now we're gonna attach it into the foot pedal. So one of the things about this pump truck is it actually features a foot pedal that you can lower the forks with rather than just the hand control. So as you can see, you got the chain through and into the foot pedal. Lower it. Pull out the pin, safety pin. Now it goes up. Yeah, has a three position hand control, which is right now it's set to raise when it's lowered down. In the middle it's neutral, and up is to lower the forks. As well, as mentioned before, this pump truck features a foot pedal that can lower the forks as well. We got on this pump truck, we got double rollers. The wheels are polyurethane for better stick control on the ground. And as well, this pump truck features entry and exit rollers for more free movement, as you can see right over here. Yeah. It has an adjustable pump cap, which ensures a long service life, and as well, this pump truck features an ergonomic large rubber handle with 3 control levers, as mentioned before.